So, have you recently heard about humanoid robots? Are the old sci-fi movies becoming true? We of course have been using standard robots in our homes, including dishwashers and Roomba vacuums. But what happens when you come face to face with a robot the same size as you, it looks like a human, and can perform all the tasks that you can perform? What are the big tech companies doing to participate in this next generation of humanoid robots? Google's DeepMind division previously introduced the Aloha robot at the start of 2024, which was a very basic looking robot, but it actually did reasonably impressive things. It could fold washing, crack eggs, cut lettuce, water plants, do vacuuming, put coffee capsules into the coffee machine, and stuff like that. But at the end of 2024, Google announced that they have since partnered with the hardware provider Aptronic to develop a humanoid robot. And only recently, on the 14th of February, Google participated in their $350 million funding round. Meta have an advanced machine intelligence division that works on developing individual software or hardware components for humanoid robots. They've just released research breakthroughs that have led to a program called Partner, which is helping humanoid robot companies use Meta's software to support robots for use in the home. They have used a simulator to recreate the home space with avatars to represent humans. This simulator is used to train their software so that the software can then be deployed in other humanoid robots. Nothing has been announced yet from Apple. However, I think Apple will announce a home robot once humanoids are more mainstream. And Apple being Apple, I think they'll do a fantastic job and create a really high quality robot for use at home. Tesla is working on a humanoid robot called Optimus. Optimus was announced at Tesla's AI Day in August 2021 as a man in a robot suit. Since then, however, Tesla started an X channel named Optimus on the 17th of May 2023 and began releasing videos. In the most recent Tesla earnings call, Elon reportedly suggested that the humanoid business will be enormous, potentially being bigger than the next 5 largest companies in the world combined. I think he is so confident in this assertion because labor comprises around a third of global GDP. Robots can potentially help with jobs that would typically be done by factory workers, cleaners, trades on a work site, or jobs that are high risk, including those involving heights. Basically, any job that requires physical labor has the potential to be disrupted by robots that are super intelligent and operate in the same form factor as a human. Robots that operate in the same form factor as a human will be able to navigate the environment that we've created just as we can. So they can, in theory at least, do all the jobs that we currently do. Nvidia is a semiconductor and computer chip designer and manufacturer. They plan to power lots of the different humanoid robots moving forward. The project that they are working on, called Project Groot, is a general purpose platform for training robots, meaning that other robotics companies that are actually creating these robots will be able to use Nvidia software. The robots will then have the ability to understand natural language and emulate movements by observing humans in the real world and in Nvidia's simulation-based software. Amazon has invested in a few different robotic companies, including Agility Robotics, which now services some robots within Amazon's factories to conduct repetitive tasks like lifting jobs. Amazon also have a $1 billion commercial venture capital fund called Amazon Industrial Fund, which has invested in the company named InStock. Overall, it seems like Amazon's efforts in robotics are very focused on improving the efficiency of their main business, which is their retail e-commerce business. Microsoft has invested $13.5 billion in OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT. And with OpenAI investing in creating their own humanoid robots and also investing in Figure and 1X Technologies, Microsoft's resulting interest in humanoid robots through OpenAI seems like it's reasonably substantial. Earlier in 2024, Microsoft also began working with Sanctuary AI, a Canadian company that is developing large behavior models. It sounds like Sanctuary AI's model is similar to Nvidia's Group project, with it being a general purpose platform that allows robots to learn and act like humans. Backed by some of the largest and well-known venture capital in the world, including Microsoft, Nvidia, Intel, Amazon, OpenAI, and Jeff Bezos, Figure was valued at $2.6 billion after their first funding round in February of 2024. As of January 31st this year, CEO Brett Adcock announced their second commercial customer, and their first commercial customer is BMW, who signed an agreement at the start of 2024. And on February the 14th, Brett Adcock announced, who's the CEO, announced the company is in talks to raise a further $1.5 billion at a $39.5 billion valuation. This valuation is 15 times what it was at the start of last year. So that's an update on what the biggest companies in the world are doing with humanoid robots. Thank you.